Hi, welcome back guys. Today I am going to talk about how to make invitation quickly using Canva. Open your Google Chrome app on your mobile phone or in your computer or in your laptop and then search for canva.com. Okay, so in the upper part of the screen, look for print icon here and then click it. So as you can see, there are a lot of ready-to-print designs for invitations, folded cards, paper bags, postcards, flyers, stickers, water bottles, tote bags, and etc. So, since I am going to make an invitation, I'm going to select this invitation and click See All in order for us to see the different designs that we may use. Now, I can start creating my invitation. If you want to make your own design, just click this, create blank. But if you want a ready-to-print invitation, then you may select your preferred design here. Just select it. Alright? So, like for example, I'm going to select this and I want to make a wedding invitation. Now, all I have to do is I'll just going to edit the information here. Like, for example, Aaron, I'm going to change it to Ted. Okay, Ted. And then next is, from Anna, I'm going to change it into Joy, like that one. So just edit the information here. And by the way, guys, in editing the text, guys, you can change the font style you want. Also, you can change the font size here and the font color of the text that you want. So, once you're done in editing the information, you can download it here already. Just click this arrow at the upper right part of the screen. Click this one and then click this word download. After you click again the download here and then wait for it to be downloaded on your mobile phone. And there you go. Okay, let's open this one. Okay. Alright, there you go. This is on how to make an invitation card using Canva. So, if you wanted to know on how to create an invitation card using Canva, that's the easiest way I know. If you know another way on how to create an invitation card using Canva, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye!